Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print this type of a star pattern in Python using for loop. Let's see with practical example here. You can get the code from my own developed website android80point.co.in. Let's see with practical example here. I have opened here the Python script file and now I am going to write the code here. Declare a variable k and assign the value as 8. Now m variable and assign the value as a 1. Then for loop for I in range is a function which takes the two arguments, lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit assigned as a 0 and upper limit as a 4, and this means this loop will be executed 4 times, and you can understand this. This loop will be executed less than 1 to the upper limit, so the loop will be executed from 0 to 3. Now I am going to write another nested loop within this loop. So for j in range and lower limit assigned as 0 and upper limit as k, which means this loop will be executed 8 times, and within this loop I am going to simply print the and equals to double quote. This code simply provides the space, depends on the value of the upper limit. Now come outside of this loop and write here k equals to k minus 2, which means we will subtract 2 value from the k variable and again assign it to the k variable. Now I am going to write here another nested for loop for j in range and assign the lower limit as 0 and upper limit as m. The upper limit depends on the value of m. Now I am going to write the code within this loop as a print and then star comma and equals to double quote, and this means this loop simply print the star with the help of print function, and equals to double quote simply print the star within the same line. Now come outside of this loop and simply add the two numbers with the m variable and assign it to the m variable. Now call the print function to change the line here. You can also write here /n to change the line. You can also remove this /n. You simply call the print function to change the line. Both work for the same. Now I am going to explain from the starting. So first of all, control come here and assign the 8 value to the k variable, 1 value to the m variable. Control come here and simply assign the lower limit as a 0 to the outer loop and 4 value as a upper limit. Now 0 value assigned into the I variable. So the value of I is currently 0 at the first time. Now control come here and initialize the 0 value to the lower limit and k, which is 8, value assigned as a upper limit. So this loop will be executed and provide the 8 space. Now look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 space provided by this loop. And now control come here and simply subtract the 2 value from the k variable, and the value of k is 8, and after subtract 2 assign the 6 value into the k variable. Now control come to this inner loop and initialize the 0 value as the lower limit and m as upper limit. The value of m is 1, so this loop will be executed 1 time and simply print the 1 star here. Now loop is terminated. Control come here and simply add the 2 value with the m variable. Now the value of m is 1, so after adding 2, the 3 value assigned into the m variable. Now the value of m is 3, and with the help of print function this will change the line here. Now cursor come to the starting point. Now control again come to the outer loop and increment the lower limit as a 1. After increment, the value of I is 1, so 1 value assigned into the I variable. Control come here and again initialize the 0 value to the lower limit and 6 value as a upper limit. So this loop will be executed 6 times and provide the 6 space here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now control come here and simply subtract the 2 value from the k variable. The value of k is 6, so 6 minus 2, 4 value assigned to the k variable. Now the value of k is 4. Control come here and again initialize the 0 value as a lower limit to the inner loop, and m value is 3. So this loop will be executed 3 times and print the star as a 3 times 1, 2 and 3. Space is provided by the end equals to double quote, and this code simply print the star into the same line. Now loop is terminated. Control come here, and in this time the value of m is 3 plus 2 5. So value of m is 5 after addition of 2. Now control come here and simply change the line. Again cursor go to the starting point. Control come here and increment the 1 value to the lower limit. After increment, the value of I is 2. Now 2 value is assigned into the I variable. So again control come here and simply initialize the 0 as a lower limit, and the value of k is 4 as a upper limit. So this loop will be executed 4 times and provide the 4 space here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And control come here and subtract the 2 value from the k variable. So the value of k is 4. So 4 minus 2, 2 value assigned into the k variable. Now the value of k is 2. Control come to this inner loop and initialize the 0 value as a lower limit, and the value of m, which is 5 as an upper limit. So this loop will be executed 5 times and print the 5 star here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now control come here and simply add the 2 to the m variable. So the value of m is 5. So m 5 plus 2, 7 value assigned into the m variable. Now the value of m is 7, and with the help of print function change the line here. Now control come to the starting point, cursor, and now control come outer loop of the outer loop and simply initialize add the 1 value to the lower limit, and after adding the value is 3 as a lower limit, 3 value assigned into the I variable. Control come to this loop and simply and initialize the 0 value to the lower limit, and the value of k is 2. So 2 is the upper limit. So this loop will be executed 2 times and provide the 2 space here, 1 and 2. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and simply subtract the 2 value from the k variable. 2 minus 2, 0 value assigned into the k variable. So the value of k is now 0. Control come here and initialize the 0 value as a lower limit to this loop, and the value of m is 7. So this loop will be executed 7 times and print the star as a 7 times. So just write here 1 star, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and simply add the 2 value with the variable m. So 7 plus 2, 9. The value of m is 9. Control come here and simply change the line. Now control come to the outer loop, and in this time the value of I is 4. So loop is terminated. So the output is look like this. So I am going to just delete this code and save it and run it. The output is look like this: 1, 3, 5 and 7. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.